Welcome back, clutter-free fans. Today, we're tackling a fun but often chaotic part of pet ownership, decluttering your dog's toys. If your home is starting to look more like a pet store than a cozy living space, stick around because we've got some fantastic tips to help you organize and simplify your dog's toy collection. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a happier, more organized home and a delighted pup. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with a clean slate. First things first, gather all of your dog's toys into one big pile. This helps you see exactly what you're working with. Did you know that the average dog owner spends over $250 a year on toys? It's no wonder these collections can quickly get out of hand. Step 2. Categorize the toys. Sort the toys into categories: chew toys, plushies, balls, interactive toys, and any other types your dog loves. This step is crucial for seeing what kinds of toys your dog has the most of, and which ones they might not need more of. Also, it gives you a chance to spot duplicates. Step 3. Assess the condition. Now take a closer look at each toy. Check for wear and tear. Anything that's broken, overly worn, or potentially hazardous should be tossed out. It's not just about tidiness, it's about keeping your furry friends safe. A study by the American Veterinary Medical Association highlighted that toys in poor condition could pose health risks to pets. Step 4. Keep the favorites. Every dog has their favorite toys. Keep an eye out for the ones your dog absolutely loves and plays with regularly. These are the keepers. It's important to remember that while we might love buying new toys, our dogs often stick to a few beloved ones. Step 5. Rotate the toys. One trick to keeping your dog's interest and managing the clutter is to rotate their toys. Keep a few out at a time and store the rest. Every couple of weeks, swap them out. This keeps your dog excited about their toys without you needing to buy new ones constantly. Step 6. Donate gently used toys. If you have toys that are still in good condition, but your dog doesn't play with anymore, consider donating them to a local animal shelter. Many shelters are in need of toys to keep their animals happy and engaged. Plus, it's a great way to give back. Step 7. Storage solutions. Invest in some good storage solutions. Baskets, bins, or dedicated drawers can help keep the toys organized. Label them if you like. This way, cleanup is easy and the toys are all in one place. Your home stays neat and your dog knows where to find their playthings. Step 8. Set a toy limit. Set a reasonable limit on the number of toys your dog can have at any one time. This prevents clutter from building up again. You can make it a rule to donate or toss an old toy for every new one you bring in. This way, you maintain a manageable collection. Step 9. Regularly review the collection. Make it a habit to go through your dog's toys every few months. Dogs' preferences change, and what was once a favorite might become forgotten at the bottom of the basket. Regular reviews help keep the collection fresh and clutter-free, and your dog will never say no to a new toy. Step 10. Enjoy the process. Decluttering doesn't have to be a chore. Involve your dog in the process. They will love to participate and will adore the attention you are giving them. Let them pick out toys from the pile and watch their excitement. This can be a fun bonding activity for both of you. And there you have it, a neat and organized approach to managing your dog's toys. By following these tips, you'll not only create a tidier living space, but also ensure your dog has a great selection of safe and beloved toys. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more decluttering tips and tricks. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We update with new videos every week without fail. Thanks for watching and happy decluttering.